already smelling so much of shampoo, and I'm pretty sure the shampoo is leak inside. You can see complete shampoo spilled. See. Flashed in. See the shampoo. Before opening the package, I was able to smell the fragrance of the shampoo, so that's the reason I decided to make a video before opening the package.